Everybody knows that aircraft play an essential role in traveling and transportation. But have we ever questioned ourselves what makes airplanes very powerful? It is the excellent engine. Let us have a look at the 4 biggest manufacturers of commercial jet engines. The list starts with CFM International. The CFM International is the joint venture of Safran and GE Aviation. The company had introduced a LIKE series engine, which has a thrust ranging between 23,000 and 35,000. CFM 56-5B engine powers 4 different types of Airbus planes. About 8,000 engines of Type 7B are used in more than 700 Boeing airplanes, making it the most popular engine-aircraft combination in commercial flights. Next is GE Aviation. It's a subsidiary of General Electric, and it's headquartered in Everdale, Ohio. The company produces the GE9X engines, the world's largest and most powerful commercial aircraft motor. The GE9X is used in the Boeing 777X family. This company sells more than 33,000 motors worldwide. It spends about $1 billion yearly, just for the research and development of commercial jet engines. The following is Pratt & Whitney. Pratt & Whitney is an American aerospace manufacturer and a subsidiary of Raytheon Technologies. The company doesn't only produces commercial, military, and aviation engines, it also manufactures auxiliary power units and helicopter motors. Today more than 13,000 jet commercial engines of this company are in service. Pratt & Whitney's first geared turbofan had entered the market nearly 4 years ago. The GEF engine is used in 5 different types of planes: Airbus 220, Airbus 320neo family, and Embraer E190-D2. The C-17 Globemaster III is one of the biggest military transport aircraft. It is powered by 4 GEF engines, producing about 40,000 pound-foot thrust each. In the end, comes the Rolls-Royce. Rolls-Royce is the leading British aero engine manufacturer. Rolls-Royce XWB-97 engine is the world's most efficient aero engine. XWB is available in 3 variants: 78,900, 84,200, or 97,000 pound thrust. 27 different airlines are currently using these engines, and more than 16,000 military engines were sold to 103 countries. I hope you enjoyed the content. Don't forget to follow us for more amazing videos.